Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about why I don't care about Bitcoin's bottom. Okay. And we're going to answer some questions. We're going to look at the chart. And we're going to go from there. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, especially if you are tired of losing. If you're tired of seeing the market go down every single month, every single week. If you are tired of your YouTuber, your favorite YouTuber, telling you, hey man, we're gonna moon tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. If you're tired of all the lies, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money during this bear market, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money from the charts, hit that subscribe button, because that's what I do. Okay, I'm a full-time trader. I've been doing it for 11 years. I trade Monday through Friday, financial markets, and I also swing trade crypto. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. All right. So let's get this party started. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the settings button, and you can hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the video. So let's pop out the chat real quick. Let's see if I see anybody in the chat room, and we're going to give you guys a round of applause. Okay, so shout out to you guys coming in. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna get to the chat room later. Okay, we're just gonna look at this coin market cap real quick, and then we go from there. All right, so let's go to that coin market cap real quick, guys. Okay, let's go to this coin market cap real quick. Basically right now, the Bitcoin dominance is at 53.6. Okay, the market cap is at 111, and really nothing's going on. It's still the same situation since yesterday. Okay, we had that drop, and we're waiting for the market to do something. It's a slow grind down to the downside, so you're just waiting for the market to do something. But the same old story. They are defending that $100 billion mark. Okay. And we just have to wait. So let's go to the chart and let's talk about whatever we see right now, because we talked about this yesterday. So really nothing is really going on in the chart. Nothing new, put it like that. We had this big spike yesterday, so I definitely do. I'm definitely am waiting for a continuation. It's a possibility that we can, try to test the breakout and then go right back down. Okay. So we will see. Okay. We will see. Like I said before, these guys are right here at that 3,200. I mean, literally we had what, 33. Okay. So a couple, one more 100. Okay. We're right here. So it doesn't make any sense for these guys to go up right now. We're right here, so just go right back to that 3,200, 3,100, and and see what's going on. Okay, I think we can actually find some type of support around that area, 32, 31, and we're probably going to see some type of move to the upside, and then we go from there. But guys, if we do see a move to the upside, please do not get excited. Please don't let these moon boys trick you, saying that this is going to be a double bottom. This is the bottom, and we're going to moon up in 2020. A reaction to the bottom is normal, okay? And basically, if they don't break the low, okay, and we just maybe go to, close to the low but don't break it, and we bounce up, it's a strong, honestly, guys, a strong, 90-something% chance it will go right back down to smack those guys and take these guys stops out. Okay, so even if you do see a bounce to the upside, don't expect the market to go up and go crazy. Continue to expect new lows, especially stopping these guys out right here. So you just have to wait. Okay, it is a slow grind down. That's how the market is moving right now. You have to look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture, we're still in a bear market. All right. Please do not get away from that bigger picture. The bigger picture, we are in that downtrend, okay? and we're still making lower lows. We're still continuing to go down. So nothing is really changing right now. Okay, the guys that's really making money during this market are the swing traders, and that's it. Anybody that's buying, holding right now, or anybody that's buying a dip right now, those guys are getting wrecked. Okay, the guys that's buying and holding, or the guys that's getting, the guys that's buying the dips, those are guys that's really losing a lot of money. And what I want to do to for you guys is basically help you understand the bear market so you won't get wrecked. Okay, I know some of you guys do. You love some of these coins and you want to buy and hold some of these coins. Fine, if you want to do that, it's whatever. It's okay. But at the same time, there's other strategies to take advantage of. You can take advantage of other strategies so you can start making money in this bear market. Okay, buying a dip right now is a dangerous game. It's actually reckless. So swing traders in 2019 are the guys that's winning, and 2018. Okay, swing traders in 2018, those are the guys that's been winning. Okay, and I'm one of them. I'm a swing trader, and I teach people how to trade the market. Okay, my students been winning. I've been winning. So you just have to change the way you think. The whales guys, the whales are looking to push your buttons. Okay, the whales are looking to push your buttons. These guys, the whales know. Okay, the whales understand how to make you angry, how to trick you, how to make you think one way and be doing something else. So make sure you understand that. Okay, make sure you understand that. The whales understand everything, and some of you guys just have to understand that the whales are playing tricks with you. Right now, we just grind it down slow, and some of you guys think that this is the sellers getting weaker, and that's not the case. Okay, it's just a slow grind down right now. Anything can happen tomorrow, next month, next week. Okay, we can have a big push to the upside or downside, so anything can happen, right? All right, so of course, I'm going to get to you guys' questions. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, type it in, and we go from there. So let's go to these other charts real quick. Litecoin, not really doing anything. We had a big drop right here. So we will see. We will definitely see what's going on tomorrow. Ethereum, or later on today, what's going on with Ethereum. Same thing. Okay. All these charts look weak. It's just a slow grind down. I do expect something, guys. I expect some type of decent move. Okay. But everything is looking weak. Everything is pointing to the downside. So I don't see anything bullish right now. All right. We're gonna talk later about why I don't care about the bottom, and we go from there. All right, so let's see who's in the building so far, and then let's see what's going on. Who's in the building? All right. Let me see. Dan, Paul, Flex, Crypto, Corey, Mike, Trinity, Stefan. What's going on, guys? Ryan, Peter May. What's going on? Good to see you guys. Let me give you guys another round of applause. Appreciate it. All right. Appreciate all my new subscribers tuning in. Also, if you're new to to the chat, shout out to you. And if you just finding my channel, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit those likes. Of course, your finger's not gonna fall off, so hit the like button. All right. And let's go from now. Let's go from there. Alrighty here. You said great sound today, baby in the background. Haha. Yeah, it's my little daughter, man. Good morning from Germany. Okay, shout out to you, Andrew, from Germany. It's morning time. I wish it was morning time right here. Okay, I wish it was morning time. ETH good short on a 1 hour candle. Okay, I didn't check that one. Okay, so it's going down. I don't know which one is this. What is? I think I put the 1 minute. My fault. I'm bugging out. Okay. Yeah. So it's just short. You know, it is a possibility that ETH can pull back. Let me see here. Brandon said he just got this notification. All right, that's what's up. New money. Lance, crypto is slow. Yes, crypto is slow right now. That's why once you build up your skills, once you understand how to make money from these markets, you don't have to only depend on crypto. You can depend on, you can actually trade other markets. Like for example, I have students that's trading gold, Forex, different things like that. So what do you think oil is going to do tomorrow? I don't know, bro. I mean, who knows? Let's see. Let's check it out. I mean, right now we are, it's turning. It's a red bar right now, so it might be a red day. We'll see, though. We'll see. Carlex says, should I buy EOS right now? Okay. Carlex, I don't know if you're new to my channel, but right now, cryptocurrency, right now is honestly is not a market that you want to buy right now. Okay. And the reason why I'm saying that is because we are in a downtrend, Carlex. All right. So let me explain that to you. All right. If you look at this chart, what direction is pointing right now? Okay. It's pointing to the downside. You do not want to buy when the direction is to the downside. You want to wait for the bulls to come in to have your back. All right. So right now, cryptocurrencies is not a market you want to just go in and buy. You just have to wait for the bulls, okay? And if you want to make money during this market, you have to learn how to short it and make money that way, okay? You have to learn how to swing trade the market. What's good, BJ? You said, do I get ate up in taxes? No, you don't get ate up in taxes. EOS won't break even. Resistance could take sell if you wanted to. Hey Ben, take your course. I made some profit today shorting when Bitcoin went down to 30. So shout out to BJ. He actually shorted Bitcoin, made some profit. So let me give him that ka-ching button. That's what's up. I love hearing that. I love hearing that. So, let's go, with the question of the day or the topic of the day, okay? I said, I don't care about the Bitcoin bottom. Carlex said, okay, thank you. Have a great night. Yeah, man. Take care, bro. I said, I don't care about the Bitcoin bottom. Okay. And I'm going to explain to you why I don't care about the bottom. don't you notice that most rookies are worried about the bottom? Don't you notice that? Most rookies are worrying about the bottom. Why is that, guys? Why is your favorite YouTuber so worried about the bottom? Why is a lot of rookie investors so worried about the bottom? It's because they don't understand how this stuff works. Once you train yourself how to make consistent money, okay, from the markets, you're not going to care about the bottom. You're not going to care about the bottom. Once you understand how to make consistent money from the markets, you're not going to care about the bottom. The bottom is not even a thing. Because guess what? You are consistently making money, and you bringing that money in. The rookies and these crazy YouTubers that don't know what they're talking about, these guys are obsessed with the bottom because they don't know anything else. They don't know how things work. They shaking in their boots. They don't know how to make money consistently from the markets. These guys are not professionals. So, these guys are, complaining and doing everything but trying to learn. You notice that? They're doing everything but try to learn. Everybody just sitting waiting, bro. Like, I'm waiting, guys, And you have professionals like me that don't care. So you have to ask yourself, what group do you want to be in, guys? Who wants to become a business, right? Like who wants a business, a trading business? Who wants to work for themselves so you don't have to depend on your job? Okay, everyone that's watching my live stream right now, you should be raising your hand. Okay, you should be, that guy that wants your own business so you don't have to depend on your job, right? So you can make your own money. You should be raising your hand right now. But most of you guys don't take this serious. Like, you don't think trading is a business. You think it's just all about, hey man, do we got some good news today? Bro, that's not a business. You have to be active. You have to do research. If you want your business to survive, okay, you have to be active, do research, educate yourself, take action, practice, do the things that is going to help you get to that next level. Most of you guys are not treating this like a business. Guys, you heard about that news story? And you're wondering why you're suffering. You're wondering why, you're down 90%. You have to become a professional in this business. If you don't, guess what? You're going to be like everyone else. I told you guys before, this channel is deeper than crypto, okay? I'm trying to help you guys get out that rat race, right? In order to do that, you have to become a professional. Over here, when the crowd go left, we go right. So, the problem with most guys in the crypto space is they don't know how to make money in a recession, right? The problem with, is they don't prepare for the worst, right? So when the market is going down, most of these guys don't even know how to make money during a recession, okay? This is why you have to become a professional, because only professionals know how to make money during a recession. right? You have to prepare for the worst. Okay, if we had guys, most of you guys, you look at life like this. Okay, let's say this is a coin, right? And most, life is about the good, right, and the bad. Most of you guys only want to focus on the left side, the good. You just somehow want to ignore the bad. Try to make it, seem like it doesn't exist. Guys, it does, right? And you have to prepare for that. The same way you prepare if you go outside and it's raining and you have an umbrella, you prepare for that rain. You prepared if it snows outside. You have your snow suit on, or your boots on. Okay, you have to prepare for the worst. But most of you guys just focus on the good side and say things like it's impossible for Bitcoin to go below this certain number, right? Because you're not thinking about, hey man, you know what? It's a possibility Bitcoin could go down, even more. You're not thinking about that. You're only thinking about the good side. And the only reason why you're doing that is because you don't know how to deal or navigate when things get tough. You don't know how to. Because you're dealing with the wrong people. Okay, show me 5 of your friends. I'm quite sure you hear this a lot from millionaires and public speakers. Show me 5 of your friends. Show me 10 of your friends. I can tell you how much you're worth, or if you're successful or not. Okay, most of your friends or most of the YouTubers that you watch today are not professional traders, professional investors. They don't know what they're talking about. They've been wrong last year. They've been wrong this year. But you're following those guys and you giving them praise and say, hey man, these guys are great. A pilot, right? If you're flying a plane, right? That pilot, he has to prepare for the worst. You think, when he's flying the plane, he's only thinking about, hey man, I'm going to A to B. No, he has to prepare for the worst. If something happens to that plane, he has to know how to land that plane in the ocean or somewhere safe. Okay. If you are a coach, right, that's coaching a basketball team or a football team, okay, you have to prepare for the worst. Like, for example, I'm quite sure you guys watched the what do you call that, the Super Bowl, right? You have to learn how to adjust. The guy from the Rams, the coach from the Rams didn't adjust at all. Okay? You have to learn how to adjust. Prepare for the worst so you know what to do when it comes. You can't think everything's going to be good all the time. Okay? But I have good news for you guys. I have good news. You can still make a lot of money when things get bad. Okay? That's the secret that the rich don't want you to know about. Okay? The rich don't want you to know about how to make money when times are bad. They only want you to make money when times are good. Okay? So in 2017, you guys, made some money, right? You made some money. Okay? Because, times was good and things was going up. And everybody was making money. Okay? But all of a sudden, you thought you knew it all, and until the market started to drop, and guess what, guys? Times are bad right now, and you're losing money. Okay, but I'm here to tell you, bro. Guys like me making money. Why is that? You have to sit down and think. Why is that? How a guy like me can make money like this, right? When times are bad. This is the secret that the rich don't want you to know about. Okay, because you have to understand that the rich guys, they actually take advantage of you when times are bad. So they don't want you to know how to make money during a recession and stuff like that. Why do you want to be average? Why? Why do you want just to be okay? I don't get it. Why not become a professional? If I can do it, guys, you can do it too, right? I'm no one special. I barely graduated from high school. I didn't go to college, okay? So your goal is to try, in 2019, you should be trying to become a professional, okay? You should try to learn how to navigate through a recession. Because if you're that guy that's want to buy the bottom all the time, oh man, you know, like for example, I had this guy going back and forth. I don't know if he's in his chat room. Let's see if he's in the chat room. Let's see. Okay. He came on my chat room yesterday. He's not here. Okay. Going back and forth with me, talking about the bottom is 1800, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then he said something about, you know, because I told him, bro, no one knows the bottom. Okay. And he said, I don't care, man. You know, I'm going to try to figure it out. I got big balls. So you have big balls. What does that mean? Okay. So basically you're trying to say you want to be broke with big balls? Bro, I'd rather be rich with little balls. Like, are you kidding me, bro? You know, some of you guys are trying to do the impossible. Like, stop it already, okay? Stop trying to make yourself seem smart, okay? And at the end of the day, you're going to lose money. Stop it. Just understand how the game works, right? And understand how, you know, professionals make their money from the market. And learn from them. Why you want to do everything on yourself? Why do you want to be that guy that's trying to, you know, outsmart the market? You can't outsmart the market. I don't get it. Anyway, shout out to everybody that's here. Okay, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. You guys are still here. Can you type, you know, if you guys hear me, can you type in something? Okay. I don't see you guys saying anything. Okay. Guys, can you type in something? Can you guys still hear me? I think I'm still on. All right. Loud and clear. All right. So, you know, if you guys don't have this course by now, check it out. Basically, like I said, during my live stream, I give you guys that 50% off. Check it out. It comes with a Discord room. It shows you how to navigate through the bear market. Okay. The best thing about this course is basically it's recession proof. It will show you how to make money during the recession. Okay. Most of you guys are sitting and waiting for the bull market. Why? Why are you waiting for the bull market while money is right in front of your face? So check this out. Okay. If you want to become a day trader, like day trade the futures market, you can check my other course out. Okay. But check this out right now. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. So let's go to these guys' questions. Okay. Anthony, you ask me that question like every single day. I mean, you know, what do you think? You don't have to be a millionaire to prove, you know, I mean, you ask me that question every single time you come on my live stream. I'm interested in your courses. I have a little bit of spirit of I'm trying to expand my knowledge. Shout out to you, bro. I have 2 courses. Okay, like I said, I have this course right here that during the live stream I give out for you guys. All right, for 50% off. This one is more because it is like a 2 to 3 week training. Okay, it will teach you how to day trade the futures market, and basically it's hardcore. So it's basically showing you all of my secrets on how I make money during the day. All right, so it's all about daily income. Both of my courses come with the Discord room. All right. If you have the crypto course already, you can actually get a discount with this, and you just have to email me. Okay, just email me, and you get that discount with that. But shout out to everybody that's here, man. Colin said, Ben, you are a life coach. 100% respect, man. Thanks a lot, bro. What's going on, Sean? Shout out to you, Sean. Do you think we will break the 200 EMA soon, long on Bitfinex or high? We don't have to break the 200 EMA soon. Basically, what could happen is we get to this area right here, back to the 200 or back to the 32 or 3100, and we probably see another little quick bounce. Okay, that's a possibility. Or they can say, you know what, we don't want to bounce at all, and they can just basically have a big spike to the downside. Okay, so yeah, we can still break that 200. I don't know if it's going to be soon. Okay, they might want to play around with the 200 EMA first, okay, and then break it. But you said, what's the story with I don't know, BCH? I don't know what's going on with that. I didn't look at it today. It looks weak. Actually, I did look at it, but it just looks weak, bro. I mean, we might have, we can push up one more time. I mean, but even if we push up one more time, it still looks weak. We just have this slow grind down. I don't know what crypto wants to do. I mean, most likely, like I said, most likely they want to go right back to the lows. It just looks like that. It's a slow grind down to the lows. But if we do hit the lows, I do expect something, maybe some type of bounce from the lows. Okay. Unless they decide to, have a big crack to the downside. What's going on, AZ? You said you're still holding my last short from 4,000. Okay. So shout out to you, bro. You're holding his short from 4,000. Let me look at BTC. So BTC 4,000. Sheesh. That's what I'm talking about. So he's holding his short all the way from here. So he this be Vanguard. Okay. I don't know your target. I don't know your target, but be careful around the 32, 31 area. We can probably see a bounce. I don't know if it's going to bounce all the way back to 4,000, but you know what? It's just a possibility. So be careful. But that's what's up, man. I'm glad to see you making money. All right. All right. So another thing I want to talk about today, guys. All right. Another thing I want to talk about today. We talked about the bottom. Okay. We talked about the bottom. Why I don't care about the bottom. We talked about that already. Okay. Now another thing I want to bring out. Okay. I want to go to a comment. Okay. I want to give somebody tough love today. Okay. I don't think he's on this live stream right now. I don't see him, but if he is, you can say hi. I want to give you some tough love. Okay, I'm not picking on you. Vanguard said, glad to found your channel, man. Shout out to you, bro. I'm not picking on you, okay? So whoever this person is right here, I'm not picking on you. I'm just basically giving you tough love, okay? And the reason why I'm reading this is because I know a lot of people think like you. So I have to, if I feel that it's going to benefit my listeners, okay, I'm going to read it. So let's read this real quick, all right? And then once I read this, okay, I will basically go over a couple of points, all right? So basically, he said, "Hello, my friend. I'm explaining to you everyone's situation regarding the bottom because most of us don't know anything about trading. We don't want to pay for a session for that because he said because for us it's just an investment. We don't want to become a trader like you because we are afraid of not being successful. We already have a job. We don't want to leave it for various reasons. For my part, I don't want to leave my job. I like it. I love it. Certainly, I am different because I live in France compared to most of your subscribers. But as I told you, certainly I look for the bottom indirectly, and I am afraid. He said I am afraid not to succeed, of leaving everything and failing. Okay. If you have a guarantee of success, okay, in relation to your training, I will take it at 100%. But even know that there is never a winner in trading, 90% lose. Okay, so basically, I want to go over this, okay, real quick, and break it down, okay, because I think some people think like this sometimes, right? So basically, he said, "Hello, my friend. I'm explaining everyone's situation. First of all, you're not explaining everyone's situation. Okay, you are explaining your situation. Okay, you don't know everyone's situation. That's number one. Okay. He said most of us don't know anything about trading. Okay, and he said we don't want to pay for a training in session. That's completely wrong. Okay, I have people that's willing to pay for training in session because they know the value. Okay, they understand that someone that knows more than them, okay, they know that it's valuable, if they have or get the knowledge to become successful, whatever they're trying to do. Okay, so just because you don't want to pay for a training, it doesn't matter, or it doesn't mean that everyone wants to pay for a training or a session. Trust me, I get a lot of emails. I get a lot of people that wants to train and wants to learn more. Okay, he said that we don't want to become a trader. Okay, and guys, listen to his words. Okay, look at it. He says we. Okay, look how many times he's saying we. He said we right here. Okay, we right here. We right here. I'm quite sure it said another we over here. So basically, I study human, behavior, human psychology. I understand that. I know why he's saying we. It's because he don't want to take full responsibility. Okay, so instead of saying me and I or whatever the case is, he rather say we because he wants to group himself, or make it seem like it's everybody, so he can make himself feel good, and he don't want it to take full responsibility. Okay, just want to point that out. And another thing about paying for training is most people don't understand that once you get education, that's actually education actually is an asset. Okay, most people don't know that. Okay, an asset is something that pays you over and over and over. I have students that email me and say, "Hey, bro, I'm so glad that I bought your course. You changed my life. I'm making money. I never saw the market like this before. I'm so glad, blah, blah, blah." So once you can actually, have something pay you over and over and over, that's an asset. So just because you don't understand that, you have, some work, you have to, I guess some learning to do. I guess. Let's go back to just questions. I mean, the comment. Let me see here. Now he said we don't want to become a trader. Okay, so again, he's saying we. Okay, first of all, you can't speak for everybody else. Okay, there's a lot of people that want to become a trader. Okay, but you're right. Some people do not want to become traders because they are afraid. You're right. Okay, you said we are afraid. Okay, of not being successful. You're right. There are a lot of people are afraid. Okay, to take that next level. And I talked about this yesterday, guys. Okay, I talked about this yesterday. What I said yesterday. Okay, I said to you guys. Okay, most of you guys are average right now. Okay, you are this person right here. You're average. Okay, you have an average job. You have average information, and the steps that you're taking is average. But at the same time, you want to become a millionaire. Okay. Does that make any sense? You are average, but at the same time, you want to become a millionaire. You don't want to do the work. You don't want to put in the work. You don't want to take risks. You don't want to learn. You don't want to do nothing. But for some reason, you just want to become a millionaire. That doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, you guys. One thing I learned. When I was coming up and trying to be an entrepreneur, okay, I learned that you have to get outside your comfort zone, okay? You can't be scared if you want to make money, okay? You can't be that guy that wants to be in a comfort zone all the time. You have to get outside the comfort zone. And then he said, we already have a job. We don't want to leave it, okay? Well, first of all, you don't know what people. I have a lot of people that want to leave their job. I mean, I don't know why you're saying we. I mean, there's a lot of people that want to leave the job, bro. Okay. Now he said that I don't want to leave my job. I love it. I like it. Okay. Honestly, bro. Because I hear some people say that. I hear people. Oh, I love my job. Honestly, I don't think a lot of people. I think people may like their job, but I don't think they love it. Okay. Here's why. Okay. I can guarantee you that if I offered you $5 million to quit your job today, you would quit your job. Okay. So you don't love your job. You're just saying that. You're just making up excuses why you love your job. Okay. Also, most of you guys that say you love your job, well, I want you to work 12, 14 hours a day. Okay? Do that. I want you to do that. I want you to work 12, 14 hours a day. And say you love your job then. Because I work, I can work 12, 14 hours a day. Okay? I can read the charts all day, looking at the charts all day, and I'm okay with that. I love it. I guarantee you don't want to wake up every single day. Oh, man, I got to do a 14-hour shift. Man, I can't believe this. So, in my heart, I believe a lot of people, when they say they love their job, they're just making up excuses. Okay? And they don't even know that they're making up excuses. That's the crazy part. They don't even know that they're making up excuses. Right? Because our brain is very good at convincing, your brain is very good at convincing yourself, hey man, this is the reason why I'm not successful. Right? Your brain will come up with so many excuses why you're not successful. Man, you're cursed, man. You're cursed, so you're never going to be successful. Or you're poor, man. Like your mother's not successful, your father's not successful, so you never be successful. This is the games that your brain or your mind would play with you. Okay, these are the games that your mind it's just these are games that that your mind play. So you have to understand that you have to stop making excuses. Okay? You're telling me that you're only worth $30-something thousand a year? Okay? Because most of you guys that have a job, basically, you're not getting probably more than $30,000 a year. Okay? Even if you make, a decent amount after taxes, you ain't making that much. So you're telling me that you're only worth $30-something thousand a year, bro? Like, come on, man. You know you're better than that. Okay? You're telling me that you don't want to spend more time with your family? You're telling me that you don't want to give your kids the best life? Just because you want to come up with excuses on why you love your job? Bro, I'm here to tell you that's selfish right there. That's selfish. You are selfish without knowing that you're selfish. Okay? You don't even know it. You don't even know that you're selfish and you're selfish. Right now, I work, when I trade, okay? When I trade, I trade maybe 2 to 3 hours a day. That's what I'm doing. 2 to 3 hours a day. And I'm done for the day. Boom. Okay? And what else he said? Okay? And it notice that he said, my job, bro. You don't have a job, okay? That's not your job. You don't own that job. I actually heard that from a guy on YouTube. He said everybody's talking about my job, this, my job, bro. You don't own that job. You don't have a part. You're not a part owner in that company. Tomorrow these guys could say, you know what, it was nice knowing you, bro. You're fired, or we got to lay you off. So it's not your job. Okay. What else? He says something about he live in France. That doesn't mean anything. I don't know what that means. I have a lot of students and subscribers that live in different countries. But you said that you are afraid to succeed, and it goes right back to what? You're trying to be average, but you want to become a millionaire. Okay. You are afraid. So what does that mean, guys? You have to understand. Stop being afraid. Okay. The reason why you are afraid right now is because you don't have the right information. Okay. And you're basically guessing. Guys, that's why a lot of these crypto investors right now are freaking out, because they don't have the right information. Don't you notice the guys that have a lot of money, they calm? Don't you notice that, guys? The guys that have a lot of money, they're confident, they have confidence, they calm, because they have all the information, they have all the education. It's the poor people that's always freaking out. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know. They're always talking about the government this and always complaining about things that don't even matter, bro. Like, And then he said something about, guaranteed success. He wants 100% guarantee. I mean, come on, guys. Right? And then he said something about 90% lose money. Okay, first of all, that's with anything. It's not just trading, okay? If you open up a restaurant today, bro, 90% of restaurants fail. Okay, 90% of small business owners fail. That's any industry. Okay, clothing industry, restaurant, like you could just name it. Okay, that's why it's very important to learn from people that's doing this. Okay, that's why you have to learn from the people that's doing it. The reason why most people fail is because they're trying to do things themselves. They try to guess. All right, guys, I'm buying the bottom. Why? Professionals are not buying the bottom. They're not blindly closing their eyes and picking a bottom and saying, I'm buying this right here. No. Guys, listen. I'm not just talking to him. Okay. Shout out to No Copyright. Shout out to him. Okay, like I said, guys, you know, I'm not picking on you. I'm just giving you tough love, and I'm not just talking to him. Okay, I'm talking to, you know, anyone that's watching this right now. If you're on my live stream and you're watching this right now, shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to my live stream, hit that subscribe button. Okay, if you want to learn how to make money from these bear markets, right? Like I said before, I'm not only talking to him. Okay, I'm talking to anybody that's on this live stream right now, that's watching this right now, that's always coming up with some type of excuse. Oh man, you know, this is why I'm not successful. That's why I'm not successful, bro. Stop all this nonsense, guys. Don't you know I'm a black guy in America right now? A black guy in America. I don't come up with excuses. I could make up excuses all day. I could make up excuses just like everyone else make up excuses. I don't have time for that, bro. Don't you know that every time you make up an excuse or you hate on someone, that's energy, bro. Like, I'd rather take that energy and invest it into learning and basically learn how things work and learn from successful people. Okay, this is why I post videos like this. Okay, and I get a lot of emails. I get a lot of emails saying, "Hey man, hey brother, you know, I'm glad that I see, you know, a guy like you, you know, making money because, you know, guys like you, they always come up with excuses." Okay, so this is why I post videos like this, to give you guys or show you guys what's possible. Okay, when I post videos like, you know, making $600 in 20 minutes or $700 in 35 minutes or $800 in 30 minutes or $630 in 15 minutes, okay, or $1,100 in 13 minutes or $5,000 in 39 minutes, right? Or what is it? $3,000 in 90 minutes, $2,000 in a day, $1,000 in 15 minutes, all right? $1,700 in 35 minutes, $2,200 in 35 minutes, $800 in 28 minutes, okay? $1,900 in 90 minutes. When I post videos like this, guys, it's not me bragging. It's me showing you, guys, this is, you know, this is possible. These are all these videos that I'm pointing out right now. These are live videos of me trading live, okay? Risking money. Making videos, $1,200, 70 minutes, $800, 50 minutes, all right? $1,600, 40 minutes. Guys, this is possible, but you can't do this if you want to make excuses for your life. Guys, a lot of us, you know, had it bad when we was growing up, okay? Some of us was poor when we was growing up. Some of us, you know, didn't have a lot. But I'm here to tell you guys, there's something that's called the internet, bro, right? Especially the markets. Okay, the markets, when you go inside the market and you press that buy button or that sell button, that person on the other side doesn't know your race. That person doesn't know your childhood. That person doesn't know your past. Okay? bro, this is a equal playing field. Like, you could compete with the big dogs, right? You can make money just like these guys. So why do you have excuses? You can practice without even risking real money. You have no excuse. Okay, if you want to trade this market right here, you can trade it with a demo account. Okay, so I don't want to hear no excuses talking about, oh, I'm afraid. You are afraid because you don't want to practice. Bro, you can open up a demo account today and practice with no money. No real money. So you have no excuses. Talking about you afraid. Come on, guys. That's why a lot of you guys are down 90% and you are okay with it, because you don't believe in yourself. You're talking about you're afraid, right? You're not doing you're not willing to do whatever it takes. Okay, guys, it boils down to how bad do you want it? Okay? And I really don't believe you guys want it that bad. Okay? How bad do you want it? Like I said before, the best way and the fastest way that I know when it comes to success is learning from people that's already successful. If you tried it on your own, you're gonna mess up. Trust me, I've been through that already. Okay, that's why I don't mind paying for courses or education or any type of one-on-one coaching, because I know that I can speed up my success. Don't you know, if you have, let's say that, for example, if you do a one-on-one coaching session with Bill Gates or somebody that you look up to, right? You're trying to tell me that you won't get valuable information from that guy? Yes. Okay? That's the fastest and the quickest way that I know of to success. You go straight to the source. You go straight to the guys that's doing it. So that's my little. I'm not even going to call it a rant, but that's my little thing I want to talk about today. No more excuses, guys. If you have any questions, you can type it in. We go from there. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. All right, just give me a second. Max said he sounds like someone that panics so. Mike said if you risk buying Bitcoin, then you could. That's a good one, Mike. That is actually a good one. Let me give you that bomb button for that one. That's a good one. That's a good one, guys. That is a good one. Okay, because I know a lot of you guys lost more than $150 or $950. Okay, I know you guys lost way more than that. So that's a good one, Mike. That is a good one. If you took the risk on buying Bitcoin, then you can take a risk on buying the cost. Because I know some of you guys lost way more than that. Trust me, because I got the emails already. Max said he went the Big Mac. Well, Liberty said, "Where's the bottom?" Is Liberty? No one knows the bottom, bro. No one knows the bottom. Okay, and if you go back to what I was talking about earlier today, I don't care about the bottom at all. Crypto said, I hate working for other people. Yeah, exactly, bro. Okay, I hate it. I mean, Guys, don't you hate waking up in the morning, going to a job so someone else can tell you what to do? Sheesh. You talking about you love that? Man, bro, come on. You know you're better than that. I hate working 8 to 5. Facts, bro. Ben, I worked 12 hours on my mind. I had enough time for the change. How much do you need to start trading, please? Shout out to you, bro. It all depends on what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to swing trade the crypto market, because I have 2 courses. If you're trying to swing trade the crypto market, honestly, to start, you don't need that much, okay? First, I would tell everybody first, just, go on a demo, okay? Go on a demo, practice. But with the crypto account, you don't need that much. I have students that started with $200, $500, $1,000 or more, okay? But with this right here, the futures, you're going to probably need a little bit more because you're doing day trading, okay? So you day trading the futures market, so you're going to need at least, I tell people $1,500 to $2,000. Okay, that's the minimum. I do have students that started with $1,000. Okay, I actually have a student that actually started with starting with $500. I don't recommend that. Okay, but that's the difference between these two. Okay, but it's not that a lot of money. Okay, if you have more than that, if you have 10,000 or more, more, then hey, man, the more you have, the better you. Of course, the better it is. But honestly, when it comes to trading, you don't need that much. What you really need is the training. Okay, so I tell people, man, just practice your butt off. Okay, practice your butt off in a demo account. When you go live, you don't trade with a lot of size. Okay, don't try to when you first go live, don't try to go crazy with the size. Okay, just trade a small amount. Okay, just to get your feet wet. Okay, and then you can increase your contracts later until when you gain your what do you call that? Gain your confidence and gain money. Let's go back to these questions, but like I said before, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, if you don't have the links, I'll give you the link. This is the link for the crypto one and the link for the futures one. Okay, and both of these comes with the Discord room. Okay, so you can chat with my students, you can chat with me. All right, we post charts and all that stuff. All right, so let's go back. Max said Ben speaks the truth, man. Shout out to you, bro. Peter May said my house renovations have stopped since I got your course. Study. Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. He's talking about Crypto Tiger. I made a few trades, gained 5 BTC, short and good risk. Only discovered BitMEX a month ago. Okay, shout out to you, Crypto Tiger. Max said ETH below $60 would be nice. Yeah, I mean, honestly, ETH can go to those those levels. All right, so right now, ETH was the low was at what, $80. So yeah, I mean $60 could be $60 is definitely a target, definitely a possible target. All right, so let's go back to these questions. Paul said, let me explain to you, French guy, that little investment of yourself I make 10x of the first trade of Ben's course. He's the truth. Copy Ben's course and you will be very pleased. Shout out to Paul. Paul actually is one of my students. Let me give him that bomb. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about, guys. All right. Most guys don't view education as an asset. Like, most of you guys don't understand. Like, an asset is something that pays you over and over and over. Don't you know that once you learn how to trade, you can get paid over and over and over? Just like he said, he made 10x. 10x. Whatever he paid for the course, he made 10x from it. First trade. Okay? The first trade. So, come on, guys. Let's go back to these questions. So he's talking about somebody else. This will drop and learn. Is the next stop 2,900? For Bitcoin, the next stop most likely is going to be probably 3,100. And you know, eventually, yes, I do. I'm waiting for that. We call that 2,900. I am waiting for that number. Okay. And honestly, I think it's going to be a slow grind. I really think it's going to be a slow grind all the way down, unless they decide to blast it. But you know, just expect us to, you know, drop, go back up again, drop. You know, slow grind. And I think once we break that 2,900, you know, most likely we'll go right back to the 2,500. Alex said, I'm trying to learn technical analysis to trade Forex market. Yes, man, bro. Like I said before, I have students that got this course right here, okay? And they took the strategies that's inside that course and they traded. Like, for example, I have a student right now. I don't know if he's on this live stream. If you are, shout out to you, Lord of the Boards, okay? He's basically, he showed me a gold trade that he made today. And he's using the strategies, okay, that's from the crypto course, okay? You have to understand, technical analysis work on every market. It does, you know, it doesn't matter if it's crypto, Forex, futures, commodities. It's gonna work, okay? It's just the charts are charts. You know, they have the same patterns, and that's the beauty of this, okay? That's the beauty of learning how to read the charts. You can go to different markets and, you know, extract money out of different markets. Hey, what's going on, Leonard? Good to see you here, bro. If we close below the 200 weekly in May, I will open up a short and manage my risk by placing my stop. If you okay. And Vanguards, what chart are you going to look at, okay, when you take that trade? So you're saying, you know, if we close below the 200, okay, are you going to do it based on that weekly close or like a daily close? What's going on, LA? Very close to yours. Shout out to everybody that's here, though, man. You know, I'm so glad that you guys are here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have questions, type it in. I'm reading these questions right now. Red 5 said all crypto is dead. So you think how low you think the cryptos is gonna go, Red? How low you think Bitcoin is gonna go? Chosen One said, "Nice show, Ben. What's the best altcoin of your top three?" Right now, I don't have a top three or top five right now because unfortunately, we are in a bear market, so it's very hard to have, because the way I look at this market, the Chosen One, the way I look at this market is more and more it's more trading for me. So I don't look at at this market as an investment, because I understand the nature of Bitcoin. It actually goes up and it slams right back down. If you just go back and look at the chart, you will see Bitcoin going up and slamming down, going up, slamming down. So for me, I don't, I'm not going to hodl, through a bear market where this slams down too much like that. I refuse to let these guys take my money during a bear market. So what I do during a bear market, instead of hodling, I actually short the market and make money that way. Okay, and and the best thing to do is just wait for the bulls to come. No one knows the bottom. Everyone is trying to time the bottom, but guys, no one knows the bottom. All right. If they did, trust me, these guys will not tell you the bottom. Okay. So the way I play this is I go with the major trend. The major trend is to the downside, so I play the downside right now. That's why I don't have a top three crypto, because at the moment, the way things look in the crypto market, it looks like a lot of these coins are probably going to either disappear or almost disappear, and they're just going to be flatlining and not doing anything. So me personally, I'm just waiting for the bear market to be over, and then I can see what coins survive, or survive the bear market, and then I go from there. Let's go back. Chosen One said, "Nice show, Ben. What's the?" Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm reading your. I'm reading the same question. Yeah, bro, it's LA. Yeah, shout out to you, LA. So Vanguard said weekly close. Okay, I hear that. All right, guys. So I'm gonna wrap this thing up. I don't know how long. Let's see how long I've been on here. Yeah, so an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Okay, shout out to everybody that's here. I do appreciate you guys tuning in. I had to, get that off my chest, because I know a lot of people think like that guy. So I had to get that off my chest. But let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. And thanks for tuning in. I don't know if I'm gonna do something tomorrow. We'll see. I might do something, I might not. We'll see. If you guys have any questions, you can type it in, or not type it in, but email me. If you don't have my email address, I give it to you right now. Okay, I give you my email address right now. All right, you can email me, and that's about it, guys. Life is about improving. Life is about growing. So you guys, please don't sit here and wait for the bull market to come just because your favorite YouTuber told you that. How about growing? How about grow as an individual? How about growing as an investor or a trader? Okay. You have to grow, man. You just can't just sit back and think, things is going to fall in your lap. Okay. Things change. Okay. You have to understand things change, and you have to learn your industry. Okay. Guys, practice. study, okay, and go to the next level. So, guys, talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot, Paul. Thanks a lot, Vanguards, New Money, Sean, Chosen One, LA, Vanguards, Crypto Tiger, Red. Shout out to everybody that's here, Bobby, everybody, okay, all the guys that was first, Dan, Paul, Flex, Crypto Corey, Mike, Trinity, Stephen, Ron, all you guys, JR Riggs, Peter, May. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. George, Lance. All right. Have a good night. And, stay good, guys. All right. Talk to you guys later.